Countless are the number of great inventions, discoveries and strategies which have fostered the economic, social and cultural development of humanity. For millenniums, those countless ideas that each civilization has made true have given life to everything we see, touch and feel around us. Revolutionary thoughts, fulfilling creation, development, transformation and growth. In global context, Panama stands out for being an agent of change, for turning great ideas into inconceivable realities. Panama is history, transformation, ideas that have become actions, a world-class model of innovation and development. Panama's stable and solid economy is an ideal ecosystem to do business. The country's strategic geographical position is its best asset to help it become an economic power in the region. Panama connects the world, creating common interests, generating growth and development. Every day, Panama Ports Company, PPC, contributes to the country's development, thus collaborating with this massive transformation. PPC is a member of Hutchinson Port Holdings, the world's leading port investor, developer and operator. Panama Ports Company operates the ports of Balboa and Cristobal, located at both ends of the Panama Canal. PPC serves as a distribution center for Atlantic and Pacific commercial routes. Nowadays, the world is rapidly evolving, reinventing logistics, moving forward to comply with the more demanding commercial needs for freight and distribution, considering that cost and time reduction are of vital significance. In the Atlantic, the Port of Cristobal has 28 hectares for container storage, 3 berths with a length of 970 meters, in which 4 Panamax and 9 post-Panamax quay cranes have the capacity to handle more than 2 million TEUs per year. In addition, 26 rubber-tied gantry cranes and 1,360 electric plugs for refrigerated containers complement one of the best connected ports in the region. The Port of Cristobal invests in the development of the general cargo industry, acquiring equipment and enabling 3 new general cargo berths, in addition to expanding a specific warehousing area. We are the only port in the region with a mobile harbour crane to load and discharge of any type of cargo. Furthermore, we offer special discharging services, becoming a comprehensive solution in the Atlantic for the general cargo market. PPC counts with a special service to receive cruise ships. We have berths available with all security measures required and a full range of services for passengers. Furthermore, we can provide loading and unloading services as well as supply facilities for the vessels. The Port of Balboa in the Pacific is the #1 multimodal terminal in Latin America. The Port of Balboa has 43 hectares for container storage, 57 rubber-tied gantry cranes, 3,489 electric plugs for refrigerated containers, 5 container berths 1,710 meters long, in which 8 cranes handle Panamax vessels that currently transit through the Panama Canal, and 10 cranes for post-Panamax vessels. 7 more cranes will provide service to the Neo-Panamax vessels. The size of these cargo ships exceed the limit of the current locks and therefore are unable to transit through the canal. The Port of Balboa has recently been expanded with an investment of more than $1.3 billion, increasing the capacity of the port by 20%, from 4 million to 5 million TEUs per year. Panama Ports Company offers the best interconnectivity between both ports. An 80-kilometer roadway beginning and ending at each terminal entrance allow multimodal transportation from each ocean to another with a time lapse of less than 4 hours. The roadway, in addition to a 70-kilometer railway, move more than 1 million TEUs per year. This allows Panama Ports Company to be the multimodal port with the best interconnection from one ocean to the other, generating a convergence of transatlantic and trans-Pacific routes with a global scope. All these routes connecting our 2 ports, a worldwide network that finds center in an interoceanic mega-terminal approximately 80 kilometers long. The world is constantly changing. Most products are consumed far away from where they are produced. In Panama Ports Company, we understand we are a significant link between producers and consumers. Therefore, we are constantly evolving, working to continue to offer high-quality services to our customers. PPC plays an important part in the roll-on, roll-off regional market. Consumers prefer Asian car brands, and we are the best equipped terminal for this process in the Pacific. Our Ro-Ro operations have a systemized process and the best qualified human resources that provide a seamless end-to-end solution for our services. Our ports have the largest number of electric plugs for refrigerated containers in Latin America. 4,828 plugs, considering the current expansion of the South American market. It registered more than 200 TEUs per week during peak season. We have the necessary infrastructure to offer our clients specialized logistics services for refrigerated containers, focusing on their precise needs. Under a unique container reception service, we offer maintenance for refrigerated containers, making the most of the container's transit time. It includes automated monitoring systems, specialized technicians, preventative maintenance, as well as wash and repair of refrigerated containers. Overall, we are the best option for the transportation of reefer cargo from the American continent to the rest of the world. Panama is living a critical moment in its history. The country has to embrace the challenge of becoming the logistics center of the Americas. World-class companies have trusted the country to establish their logistics and distribution centers. Our superior connectivity makes Panama the best choice to generate value-added services. In Panama Ports Company, we are committed with the concept of centralized port operations. We strive to improve our terminals in the Atlantic and Pacific to offer value-added services to each type of freight. Globally, many ports have invested in the concept of centralised port operations. In England, the Port of Felixstowe, member of HPH, is building a logistics complex next to the port with an extension of 1.4 million square feet. The new facilities will reduce the time and cost of transporting freight, optimising the exchange and handling process, reducing environmental impact, creating new jobs and promoting the economic growth of the region. In Panama Ports Company, we are ready for expansion, prepared for the future and for the challenges yet to come. Panama Ports Company, connecting the world with our passion.